So this is a slightly more complicated way of taping the knee for patellofemoral pain or pain around and under your kneecap. I'm not necessarily sure it's much better than the simple way, but sometimes it's just nice to have an alternative. We have one piece of tape, about 10-15 centimeters long, and we have this piece of tape, which is rounded at the end, split in two. These two bits should be about equal. As you can see, I've been slightly more generous on this side than that side. So we've rounded down, gone down to there, so maybe, I don't know what, 7 to 10 centimeters of tape left at the bottom. Rounded that off. And to make this easier to apply, what we're going to do is where we get down to the bottom there, we're just going to rip across there, and again the same on the opposite side. So I don't know if you can see there and there's a rip. And as always, we're going to put our anchor piece on, fold that over, so we've ripped there and that there. So once again, we're going to start on or around that bony lump there. Take the end piece off, the anchor, and put that probably just below the bony lump. There. Peel this off, just using tape off pressure. And then just a little tension through here, takes the tape off. And this is where this one gets a little bit complicated. We're trying to fold this around the kneecap. And then when we get above the kneecap, we're going to bring it straight up like that. We're going to do the same on the other side, put tension around, as you come up to here, up through here, and no tension at the end. Again, we're going to find something we're just going to rub on here just to help it stick that little bit more. And again, the final bit, rip it through the middle, tear there, ramp up all the tension, so 100% tension there, and there's that lift, and then no tension at the end. Now you may notice I've got a couple little creases in here. They don't really worry or don't really matter too much around here because we're very rarely on our knees long enough to allow those to become hot spots. So that is an alternate method for taping. I'm not sure it's any better, but the idea is you can put a little bit of tension to in varying places just to pull it around or back a little bit. That's the idea anyway. We have some tips, another video on how to make the tape last longer. Have a look at the bottom or in the description, there'll be a link there. And yeah, you'll get the most out of your taping with that. Speak to you later.